In this video, guys, we are going to look at what are the benefits of being a day trader. So someone who closes and opens their trades intraday. Stick around. Hey guys, warm welcome to you. All right, so let's look at this objectively. What are the benefits of being a day trader? This was actually a comment on one of the videos talking about trading, swing trading, day trading. So approach it from slightly different angle here. What are some of the benefits you've got of being a day trader? So if you're deciding, hey, I want to start trading, should I swing trade, should I day trade? Let's just focus on day trading for now. So one of the biggest benefits is that I think is that you come in with a fresh slate. So if you've got no positions on, you can feel relaxed, you can feel comfortable that, hey, I just need to come in and what in front of me is what I deal with. I don't have to come in with baggage from a losing trade. I have to come in with another position that I've now got to manage, I've got to do something with. You know, I can take advantage with a fresh opportunity, fresh eyes, everything that's delivered to you during the trading day. And that's quite nice because that helps you kind of start afresh. It helps you just, you know, get in tune with stuff. You're not tied to one market that you've got a swing trade on. You're not worried potentially of a pullback and having to sit through a pullback when you've got a longer term view of it going up over the next week. You know, it just changes the way that you approach things. The second thing is obviously you're not impacted by any gap risk overnight. So anything over in Asia or overnight, to pay for trading in Asia and US trading or news. So you have to worry about, oh, what happens if something goes in China overnight, or what happens if something comes out with my stock that I'm in, or something or other. You know, if I get a big move, you know, I'm going to be caught on the wrong side of it. How am I going to deal with that in the morning? You have to worry about it. You know, once the market's closed and you've stopped trading, that's it. You can switch off completely, do your analysis, do your due diligence, do your whatever you're doing, and then come back in the market fresh the next day. There's no need to be concerned about stuff. You haven't got any gap risk. And if it gaps, double thumbs up, because that means there's opportunity probably the next day as opposed to it actually potentially being a problem for you. Of course, it could be good as well if on the right side of a gap. Third thing is you can capitalize on intraday volatility. Something that if you're a swing trader, you might struggle with, and I know that many swing traders do from time to time. I know myself, sometimes I've been in a swing trade position. You know, it's frustrating when you see the volatility intraday. It kind of swings up, you know, it swings down, ends up where it was, and you think, well, I've done nothing with that and it's done nothing. And sometimes it might shake you out before it carries on going back. Intraday volatility is the best friend for a day trader because you can be trading from the long side, you can be trading from the short side. You can be making money even though it probably it could end up where it was when it opened. You know, swing traders either got to sit through that or they might get stopped out on a kind of tail or whatever it may be. So intraday volatility is your friend, and it's not always your friend, you know, when you're swing trading. Fourth thing, guys, you can move quickly to another market. So one thing you can do as a day trader is you can adapt to where the opportunity is. You know, or crude oil might be moving very aggressively, like, well, you know, I like to trade crude oil, something I've got a plan for, right, it's moving, I'm going to focus on crude oil today. Oh, DAX is trading very aggressively, I'm going to focus on DAX. Oh, techs are moving, I'm going to focus on NASDAQ. Oh, these are my basket of stocks that have just come out after earnings. There's opportunity there. You know, I'm going to focus on the volatility intraday. You know, rather than swing trading, then of course you can trade different things as they're moving, but sometimes, you know, if you're a swing trader, you might not be looking to trade it until a couple of days after when it's alerted you for a swing trading setup. So it's much more nimble. And of course, if something goes quiet as well, a day trader can cut it, move on to the next thing. Swing trader, you might want to give it a bit more time because you're looking for a bigger move. You know, there's much more variability that goes into it. The other thing is, of course, we've got no overnight holding charges. One of the bigger things for swing traders, one of the costs that we have to carry is, you know, for holding something overnight, multiple days, multiple weeks, so we're trading on margin, there's a cost to pay for that. We get charged to hold that long position overnight. So we get, you know, incremental charge every single day it goes on. We have day traders, there's no overnight holding charge at all, you're just paying the spread. Of course, the frequency of trade means you've probably got a bit of a commission bill, but you haven't got an overnight holding charge, which if you've got a big, decent sized positions spread across, you know, multiple assets, it can be quite expensive and it can become, you know, quite a big damage into your account. Now, number 6, guys, is when you take a break, you don't need to check your portfolio. So if you go away on holiday or you have to take a break for a few days or the afternoon, you don't have to keep checking your portfolio. Day trader, you're flat, there's no problem. And of course, you don't have to keep checking it if you're a swing trader, but you probably can't help it. You're like, well, what's happened? Where's my market gone? I need to still keep an eye on what's going on because I have these positions. Now, of course, you could also go flat, which many swing traders do if they've got a planned holiday coming up, they go flat. But let's say you're taking an afternoon off or a morning off or a day off, You probably don't want to go flat just for that. You're doing something else, but you're still going to have to be looking at the markets. You still kind of have to look and see what's going on, because you need to be making decisions based on some of the movements that potentially could occur. So that can draw you in. And one of the things that goes back to the first things, you can just have the slate clean. You can start fresh. You don't have to be bothered by the market, and that's quite appealing to some people. Then of course the downsides, we won't get into too many downsides, but downsides, you don't benefit from potentially those gaps overnight, those moves overnight and stuff. So those are some of the things, guys. 6 things that I think are the benefits of being a day trader. Let me know yours, what you think is a good thing about being a day trader in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.